Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful craft using this old water can. Okay, so this is very old and it is see, it is dusted also. I hope you can see this, right? So come on, let's go through the video. See, what we have to do is we have to flip the bottle and then we have to take a tape like this. Okay, in order to get a uniformity, what I have done is I have taken 4 centimeters from the neck of the bottle. You can see this, right? And I have used a marker to mark like this, and I have joined the points so that when I am cutting it, it will be uniformly chopped. Now the second task is we have to remove this neck part from the Bisleri bottle. If you are trying to cut this with a knife like this or a blade, there are chances that it may get slipped and your hands may get wounded. Okay. So what you have to do is first if you have an hacksaw blade like this, you can make a small slit like this. I have already made, and then you can insert the knife and then start cutting. It will be easier for you. Just thought of sharing this with you. Okay, see, it's very easy to cut. I have removed this part already. See, very easy it is. Yeah, even you can heat the knife and then you can try cutting it off. Be very careful. If you are a minor small child, you have to take adult's help. Don't try it yourself. Okay, so now I have this with me. This part I have not thought of any craft with this, but definitely this will be, I think this will be useful for some other DIY. So I am keeping it apart. Now we have got this portion. Yeah, now what I am going to do is I am going to heat the bottle, Bisleri bottle like this, and this is my old micro oven platform, glass platform. Okay, so if I am going to keep like this, this will give a look of a side table, small side table which I can keep in near my sofa. So what I am going to do is I am going to decorate this bottle with the paint. You can decorate it of your choice, anything you can do. You can paint it, you can use fabric, you can use paper, you can choose your own way how to decorate this, or even you can use tissue papers on this, and then you can have a varnish coating also. So this will, it is up to your choice how you want to decorate this bottle. As of now, what I am going to do is I will show you after the final look is coming out. Even I am excited to see how it is going to look. Okay, I have painted it with white color, as you can see. Yeah, I did not have enough time to paint it very cleanly. So as I told you, I have this old micro oven stand plate. It's looking a little bit dirty. I have to clean it. You can keep it on this can, and then you can decorate with any planter, laughing Buddha, whatever you want to keep on this, you can keep. Even if you are keeping a planter like this, you have a space of keeping a cup of tea. This you can use it beside your sofa or your bed, or anywhere you want. This is a little bit small and very handy. So this is one way of using this can. Other way I'll show you. You can turn the can, see, like this. Yeah, and if you have an old plate like this, which you are no longer using, if it fits on the can, you can keep it, and then also you have an option of decorating it. You can use it as a side table. You can keep your planter, laughing Buddha, diyas, candles, whatever you want, you can keep. And This space you can use it as a storage space. You can keep your children's toys, small toys which you are using regularly. You can just remove the plate. You can keep the toys inside. You can just remove the plate and then take the toys outside. So this is advantage of this side table. See, if you are keeping this as it is very light. If light only, there are chances that it may shake. So if you are planning to keep it for a longer time, you can keep some heavy weight inside this first and then you can use it. So this is my small suggestion. I am going to keep some bricks and stones inside it so that it will stay. And my child, I have a small baby, so it will not fall very easily. Yeah. So this is one small suggestion I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will show you the final look how I am going to use this. So this is one way I am going to use it, and I am going to keep it near my sofa. So I have a small space in between two sofas. So I am going to keep it in between these sofas. So this gives me an awesome look. See, I have my sofa. If I am sitting on this sofa, I can keep my water bottle or tea cup, coffee cup, anything on this. I am planning to make a small Buddha also. As and when it will get ready, I will share the video. I hope that you like this video. I will keep sharing such kind of ideas. If you like it, please share, subscribe and like, comment also. Your valuable comments are always welcome. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm trying to keep it as short as possible. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you are a new viewer, new member of my family. Okay, so we have a huge opportunity to live our life. Life is very beautiful. Keep smiling. Keep watching my channel. Until then, bye.